In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a lymphatic exercise known as knee rolls. So when it comes to people with lymphedema, essentially they've got swelling and they've got lymph that is not moving, that we want to get moving or we want to encourage to move. So when people are standing up, the lymphatic system draining up the body has to work really hard, whereas in this example that I'm going to show you in this exercise, it's a beginner exercise to get the knee and also the thigh working, but being actually in a position where it's a little bit easier to get up the body because actually we're going to be laying down. So in this exercise, all you're going to need is a mat and a cushion. The cushion's optional, but I would recommend it. And what you're going to do is bring one leg completely straight and the other knee is going to roll out and back in, out and back in, out and back in. Now, this exercise I'd recommend doing and pairing up with the other lymphedema exercises on my YouTube and app. So if you're doing this, you might decide to do seconds or repetitions. And it's a nice one because we start getting the glute working, we start also getting the inner thigh, and we start getting a little bit of the quadricep and hamstrings just to stabilize the movement. Now I'm always on my heel here, and then I would repeat exactly the same, whether it's repetitions or seconds on my opposing side. Again, couple these up with other lymphatic exercises that I've got on my YouTube and app for a whole routine.